Hello, ang topic natin ngayon is about finding Laplace transform using its definition, part 2. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung part 1, ililink ko na lang sa description para ma-check nyo, para meron na kayong concept about sa discuss natin ngayon. Ito lang naman yung na-discuss natin sa part 1, yung pinaka-definition ng Laplace transform. So let f be a function defined for t greater than or equal to 0. Then the Laplace transform, denoted by the symbol of f of t, is given by the integral ng e to the negative st f of t dt from 0 to infinity. Tapos, magiging function of s na siya. So, from time domain t, magiging s domain or frequency domain siya. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin ngayon is yung integral transform formula for Laplace transform. Okay? Sa paghanap ng Laplace transform ng any given function of t. Tapos, linearity of Laplace transform. So, kung meron kayong Laplace transform ng sum of different functions with a constants in front, pwede nyo i-distribute yung Laplace transform operator para isa-isa nyong kuhaan yung Laplace transform ng bawat term. Okay? Pwede yun. So, nakapag-solve tayo sa part 1. Ito yung mga na-solve natin. Hanggang number 3. Okay, 3. So, tandaan nyo yung mga diniderive natin. So far, ito na yung na-derive natin. Kasi later on, gagamitin na lang natin is yung mga derived formula na to. 1, 2, tsaka 3. Babalikan naman natin yan sa mga next video tutorial. So let's have number 4. Okay, find the Laplace transform using its definition for f of t equals sin 80. Okay, so get the Laplace transform ng f of t, which is sin 80. Okay, by definition, it is equal to the integral. Ito siya. Ito. Ayan. So, integral ng e to the negative st times the f of t, which is sin 80 dt from 0 to positive infinity. Yan. So, i-evaluate natin ngayon tong integral. So, hanapin muna natin yung indefinite integral na to, then tsaka natin i-evaluate from 0 to positive infinity. As if wala muna tayong limits of integration. Yan. So, paano natin to i-evaluate? What technique of integration can we use? Kasi meron tayong product ng e tsaka sine. We can use integration by parts. Or IBP. So that's integral ng UDV is equal to UV minus integral ng VDU. So, pwede tayong mag-let U ng pwedeng e to the negative st or sin 80. Okay, so ang ilalet yun natin is, sige, by lie 8 kasi, diba, acronym, L, logarithmic, I, inverse trigo, A, algebraic, T, trigonometric, E, exponential. So, sa lie 8, yung ipa-priority nating i-let U is yung nauunang letra dito from left to right. which is, ang meron kasi tayo is e to the negative st, that's exponential function. Tapos yung sine 80 is trigonometric. Okay, so nauna si trigonometric sa Lie 8 acronym, so mas priority siyang i-let you. So sige, i-let you ko si sine 80. Then automatic yung dv is yung natira. So 'di ba si sine 80 na gamit na natin as u, automatic yung natira yung e to the negative st dt, siya yung magiging dv. Tapos, ang ginagawa kapag nag-let you tayo, dinidifferentiate natin or kinukuha yung differential. So, differential ng u du, differential ng sine 80. So, that's derivative kasi ng sine is positive cosine 80, then by chain rule, times sa derivative ng 80, which is a, tapos dt. Yan. Tapos sa dv naman, i-integrate natin. Integrate both sides. So, integral ng dv, that's v. Integral ng e to the negative st dt. So, shortcut formula, integral ng e to the at dt is equal to 1 over a e to the at plus c. So, yung a dito is yung coefficient ng t sa exponent ng e, which is in this case, negative s. Okay? So, a is negative s. So, pag in-integrate natin to magiging 1, follow the formula, 1 over a, which is negative s. Then, copy the same function, e to the negative st. So, wag yun ang lagyan ng plus c. Or, gawin ko na lang negative 1 over s, e to the negative st. Yan. Okay, so, therefore, pag in-evaluate na natin ang integral ng e to the negative st, sine 80 dt, that's equal to uv. U is sine 80 times the v, which is negative 1 over s, e to the negative st. Then, minus the integral of v du. So, v is negative 1 over s e to the negative st times du. So, si du ito, a cosine 80 dt. Yan. So, simplify lang natin. Sige, unahin natin si negative 1 over s tapos e to the negative st sine 80. Tapos dito sa integral, ilabas natin yung constant. Si negative 1 over s, tsaka si a, constant yan. Bale, negative a over s, ilabas nyo sa integral. So, negative of negative a over s, magiging positive na yon. A over s, integral ng e to the negative st, matitira, times cosine 80 dt. Okay. So, paano natin i-evaluate ito? Product uli yan ng exponential tsaka ng trigonometry, cosine naman this time. Integration by parts pa rin. Okay, sige. Using IBP again, integration by parts for the integral ng, alisin ko muna to ito muna yung e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, gamitin natin yung integration by parts. Integral ng u, sige, lagyan natin ng prime para ma-differentiate dun sa kaninang ginamit na integral ng u dv equals uv minus integral ng v du. Gawin kong integral ng u prime dv prime equal to u prime v prime minus integral ng v prime du prime. So, by Lie 8, ang ile-let u prime natin ngayon, si trigonometric pa rin. Diba? Si cosine 80. Tapos, si dv prime, yung natira. Si e to the negative st dt. e to the negative st dt. So, differentiate natin yung u prime. Du prime is equal, derivative ng cosine, negative sine 80, tapos by chain rule, times the derivative of 80, a. So, sulat ko na lang sa unahan yon, then dt. Tapos, for the dv prime, i-integrate naman yan. Integral ng dv prime, v prime. Tapos, integral uli ng e to the negative st dt, negative 1 over s, e to the negative st. Same lang sa kanina. Okay, therefore, ang integral ng e to the negative st, cosine 80 dt yung hinahanap natin, is equal to u prime v prime, which is yung u prime ay cosine 80, v prime is negative 1 over s e to the negative st, then minus the integral of b prime, negative 1 over s e to the negative st, times du prime. Ito, negative a, urong natin. Negative a sine 80 dt. Yan. So, ayusin ko lang. Gawin kong, unahin ko tong negative 1 over s e to the negative st cosine 80. Tas ilabas natin yung constant dito. Si negative 1 over s times negative a. Bale, positive a over s. So, igilid nyo na siya ng integral symbol kasi constant lang yan. Magiging negative a over s integral sa matitira sa loob ng integral e to the negative st times sine 80 dt. Okay. So, isa-substitute natin ngayon yan. Okay. Dito sa pinaka-integral kanina. Saan yan? Ito, no? Ito, di ba? Ito na yung meron tayo so far kanina. Yan. Ito talaga yung original integral. Integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt is ito, nakuha natin by integration by parts. Kaso, dahil kinailangan uli nating mag-integrate ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt, nag-integration by parts ulit tayo. So, ipapalit ngayon natin yung nakuha nating value netong integral ng e to the negative st dt dito. Okay? So, magiging, bale, copy lang to, negative 1 over s e to the negative st sine 80 plus, so ito wag yung kalimutan, yung a over s times yung pinaka-integral na to is equivalent dito. Right? Ito, copy nyo, negative 1 over s e to the negative st cosine 80, then minus a over s integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Yan. I-distribute natin itong a over s dito tsaka dito. Okay, nakamultiply kasi siya. So, negative 1 over s e to the negative st sine 80. Ito magiging, bale, a over s times negative 1 over s, negative a over s squared, e to the negative st cosine 80. Tapos, a over s times negative a over s, magiging negative a squared over s squared integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Okay, ito ngayon yung integral ng yung nasa left side, di ba? Integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Yan. Anong napansin? Naulit itong integral ng e to the negative st sine 80. Right? Dito. Sa kanan. So, pwede nyo yung pagsamahin, pag-combine, since they are similar integral, ilipat nyo lang or i-transpose nyo lang sa kaliwa itong negative a squared over s squared. Integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. So, magiging integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Tapos, pag tinanspose, negative siya sa kanan, magiging positive na siya sa kaliwa. Positive a squared over s squared. Integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. And then equal, dito sa natirang dalawang terms, copy ko na lang. Yan. So, i-combine ngayon natin ito. So, ito may coefficient na 1, invisible 1, integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt plus a squared over s squared integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. So, add lang natin tong mga coefficients ng integral. Magiging 1 plus a squared over s squared. Then, integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Equal uli. Okay, dito sa right side, copy ko. Yan. So, gawin nating single fraction. So, denominator nito is 1. LCD ng 1 at s squared is s squared. S squared divided by 1, s squared times 1, s squared plus s squared divided by s squared, 1 times a squared, a squared. Integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Then equals dito. Yan. So, ayaw natin ito, yung coefficient na yan, di ba? Kailangan lang talaga is ma-evaluate ito, yung integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. So, alisin natin to. Pwede nating i-multiply both sides by the reciprocal neto para ma-cancel. So, reciprocal ng s squared plus a squared over s squared is s squared over s squared plus a squared. So, ganun din sa kanan, multiply din natin by s squared over s squared plus a squared. Ayan, so, makakancel nyo na to. Bale, makukuha na natin yung pinaka-integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Right? Equal dito. Okay. Okay, gusto nyo gawin natin is i-factor out na lang natin tong negative tsaka yung e to the negative. Hindi, i-factor out natin si, di ba, s squared over s squared plus a squared. I-factor out ko tong negative 1 over s squared e to the negative st. Okay, dito sa dalawa. So, matitira dito is negative, hindi, positive na kasi pinactor ko yung negative. So, 1 over s squared yung finactor ko, 1 over s lang meron tayo dito. So, dapat meron siyang matitirang s. Right? Para 1 over s squared times s, 1 over s. Tapos, wala na to, e to the negative st. Pinactor ko na. Times sine 80 na lang. Right? Tapos, dito naman, magiging so positive na siya. Kasi pinactor out ko yung negative. Tapos, itong 1 over s squared e to the negative st, cancel na. Pinactor out na natin. Matitira na lang is positive a cosine 80. Yan. So, pwede ngayon nating i-cancel tong s squared. So, magiging negative e to the negative st divided by s squared plus a squared times s sine 80 plus a cosine 80. Yan. Ito yung definite integral. Okay, pero, di ba, improper integral tayo, may limit tayo, 0 to positive infinity. So, evaluate natin to. Huwag natin lagyan ng plus c. Kasi improper integral to, definite integral. So, magiging integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt evaluated from 0 to positive infinity is equal dito, pero i-evaluate natin from 0 to positive infinity din. Okay? So, hindi natin gamitan ng limit definition na. Apply na lang natin yung pag-substitute natin sa upper limit sa mga t minus substitute yung lower limit sa mga t. So, pag sa upper limit muna, magiging negative e to the negative s. Yung t palitan nyo ng infinity. Yung infinity, ibig sabihin niya, nag-a-assume tayo ng napakataas na value. Let's say 9999999. Ganon. Okay? Over s squared plus a squared times, so s sine 80, palitan nyo ng infinity, plus a cosine 80, palitan ng infinity, then minus, okay, papalit nyo naman yung 0 sa mga t. So, negative e to the negative st, palit ng 0, over s squared plus a squared, times s sine a times 0 plus a cosine a times 0. Yan. So, dito muna tayo sa first part. Okay, para mag-converge itong integral natin, notice, di ba sa part 1, na-encounter natin to, yung e to the negative s times infinity. Okay? So, kung isaset natin yung condition na para dito sa part na to, if s is greater than 0, magiging e to the negative infinity yan. Whatever value ng s as long as it's positive. So, magiging e to the negative infinity. Tapos, kapag in-evaluate nyo yon, let's say e to the negative 99999. Basta mataas na value. Magsi-zero yan. Right? Okay. So, pinakita natin yan sa calcu dati. Nung sa part 1. E to the negative 9999999. So, therefore, etong buong term na to, dahil may e to the negative infinity ka, masi-zero. Yan. Kung i-apply natin tong condition na if s is greater than 0, magiging, so 0 na to. Then ito, magiging negative of negative, positive, e to the negative s times 0, e to the 0 over s squared plus a squared times s of s times sine a times 0 sine 0 plus a cosine a times 0 cosine 0. Etong e to the 0 is 1. Etong sine 0 is 0. Etong cosine 0 is 1. So, magiging wala na yung 0. 1 over s squared plus a squared times s times 0, wala na, plus a times 1, a. Or a over s squared plus a squared. Yan. So, ayan yung Laplace transform ng sine 80. Okay, provided that dapat yung s is greater than 0. So, additional formula ito. Kabisaduhin nyo siya. Standard yan. Gagamitin natin to palagi. Laplace transform ng sine 80 is equal to a over s squared plus a squared, provided that s is greater than 0. Okay. Next. Number 5. Integral ng Laplace transform pala ng f of t equals cosine 80. Okay, so get the Laplace transform ng f of t, which is Laplace transform ng cosine 80. Okay, by definition, Laplace transform ng any function of t is integral ng e to the negative st f of t dt from 0 to infinity. So, substitute natin sa formula, magiging integral ng e to the negative st. Yung f of t natin bale is yung cosine. Substitute dt from 0 to infinity. Yan. So, para wag muna tayong malito sa limits of integration, i-treat muna natin as indefinite integral. Alisin muna natin yung lower at upper limit. So, evaluate muna natin yung indefinite integral na e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, di ba na-evaluate na natin to kanina? Ano yung integral niyan? Kung babalikan natin, di ba yung ginamit natin is ito. Di ba? Integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, balikan na lang natin. Ito yung sagot. Di ba? Same lang eh. So, copy ko na lang yung na-integrate natin kanina. Yan. Okay. Yan. Tapos, yung integral, kasi kailangan natin ng integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Uli. Na-evaluate na rin natin yan dun sa previous problem. Di ba? Ano yung nakuha nating integral ng Ito, integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt. Ito. Di ba? So, kopyahin na lang natin. Since na-evaluate naman na natin, same lang sila. Copy. Yan. But, integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt is ito. So therefore, kapag kinuha na natin ang integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt, so that's equal dito, negative 1 over s e to the negative st cosine 80, then minus a over s, ito, times the integral ng e to the negative st sine 80 dt, which is yung nakuha nating sagot is ito. Right? So, ipa-plug in natin ngayon dito yung integral ng e to the negative s sine 80 dt na ito. Negative 1 over s e to the negative st sine 80, then plus a over s integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, distribute lang natin tong negative a over s dito, tsaka dito. Bale, copy lang ulit tong negative 1 over s e to the negative st cosine 80. Ito, negative a over s times negative 1 over s. Positive a over s squared na siya, right? Tas times e to the negative st sine 80. Tas negative a over s times a over s magiging negative a squared over s squared. Integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, ito ngayon yung integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. Diba? Naging kapareho yung form ng integral natin sa left nung integral na to sa right side. Para silang integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, parang din sa previous problem, pwede nating pagsamahin yan, i-transpose lang natin sa kaliwa itong negative a squared over s squared, integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, magiging integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. So, magiging positive na to. Positive a squared over s squared, integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. Which is equal dito sa natirang term sa right side, copy ko na lang. Yan. Tapos, i-add natin yung dalawang integral. So, yung coefficient nito is the invisible 1. So, add nyo 1 plus a squared over s squared times the integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt, yung same integral natin. And then equal dito. Copy ko na lang. So, gawin nyo tong single fraction. Di ba kanina yung 1 plus a squared over s squared, that's s squared plus a squared over s squared. Then times the integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. Then equal to the right side. Yan. Pero, hindi natin kailangan yung may coefficient na s squared plus a squared over s squared. Ito lang ang kailangan nating makuha, yung integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80. So, para mawala yung coefficient niya na to, i-multiply natin both sides by the reciprocal. So, reciprocal nito is s squared over s squared plus a squared. Ganon din sa right side, i-multiply natin by s squared over s squared plus a squared. So, makakancel na to. Makukuha na natin yung pinaka-integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. Okay? Yan. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, i-factor out ko na lang factor out ko bale, s squared over s squared plus a squared. Factor out natin 1 over s squared e to the negative st. Okay? Yan. So, dito, pag finactor out mo 1 over s squared, kasi may 1 over s ka, actually may negative, so dapat may negative tayo, dapat meron ka pang s, right? S, para 1 over s squared times negative s, negative 1 over s. Okay? Tapos, ito e to the negative st, finactor out ko na, so wala na siya. Matitira na lang cosine 80. Dito naman, so plus, finactor out na natin yung 1 over s squared tsaka e to the negative st. Matitira na lang si a times sine 80. Yan. Tapos, ika-cancel natin tong s squared. Magiging e to the negative st over s squared plus a squared times negative s cosine 80 plus a sine 80. Yan. So, ito ngayon yung indefinite integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt. Pero remember, meron tayong improper integral, di ba? Evaluated yan from 0 to infinity. Okay, so evaluate natin to from 0 to infinity. Therefore, integral ng e to the negative st cosine 80 dt evaluated from 0 to infinity is, so same dito sa indefinite integral na nakuha natin, evaluated lang from 0 to infinity. Yan. So, hindi na tayo gagamit ng limit I-plug in na lang natin direkta upper limit sa mga t infinity substitute minus lower limit 0 substitute sa mga t. So, magiging e to the negative s, palitan yung t ng infinity, over s squared plus a squared times negative s cosine 80 substitute infinity plus a sine 80 substitute infinity. Again, yung infinity net dito is ina-assume natin na napakalaking value, let's say 999999999 and so on. Okay? And then minus, substitute naman natin yung 0 sa mga t, lower limit. So, e to the negative s, t, palitan nyo ng 0, s squared plus a squared times negative s cosine a, yung t palitan ng 0 plus a sine a, yung t palitan ng 0. Yan. So, parang sa kanina, kasi may e to the negative s times infinity tayo, para mag-0 ito, mag-converge yung improper integral, di ba? Isinet natin na s is greater than 0. Okay? Para e to the negative infinity, mag-0 to. Yan. So, therefore, 0 na to. Tapos, minus e to the negative s times 0, e to the 0, over s squared plus a squared. Then, times negative s cosine a times 0 is cosine 0 plus a. Sine a times 0, sine 0. Diba yung e to the 0 is 1, cosine 0 is 1, sine 0 is 0. So, anong matitira? Itong 0, wala na yan. Bale, negative 1 over s squared plus a squared then times negative s times 1 plus a times 0. So, negative 1 over s squared plus a squared. Bale, negative s times 1, negative s, plus a times 0, 0 na lang yun. So, wag natin isulat. So, finally, multiply na lang natin. Negative 1 times negative s, positive s, over s squared plus a squared. So, therefore, ito yung Laplace transform ng cosine 80. S over S squared plus A squared provided yung sinet nating condition kay S greater than 0. So this is another standard Laplace transform formula. Okay? So, ano to tandaan nyo yan. Gagamitin natin yan sa mga future video tutorials natin. Okay, so ngayon naka-solve tayo ng hanggang 5. 5, no? Sige, tuloy natin. Let's have more problems. Next part pa tayo, part 3. For the topic, okay, yung topic natin ay finding Laplace transform using its definition. So, follow nyo lang ako dito sa ating account para manonotify pag meron tayong video tutorials next time. And subscribe din kayo sa ating YouTube channel, Engineered Math. Lilink ko na lang sa description itong mga past video tutorials natin, pati yung pinaka-playlist. Pwede nyo itong mapanood sa Advanced Math playlist and sa Differential Equations playlist. Yan, good luck sa mga engineering students natin. God bless. Aral lang lagi mabuti. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. See you on my next video tutorial. Bye-bye.